Good morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to Coffee Talk. I like to come in here on Fridays and have a second cup of coffee with you because I can. Last week I talked a lot about goals and a few tools that I've been using to help me achieve small goals and huge goals. And I wanted to share with you another trick I've been using that has been helping me to start and finish projects. So at the beginning of the month, I like to decide on a focus for the month. It may be a project that has been on the back burner for a long time. So when it comes to projects that maybe have been on the back burner for a long time, it could be because your brain is spinning like where to start. Maybe there's so many steps involved that you don't start because perhaps you feel overwhelmed by the project, by all the things that need to be done. So what I have been doing is deciding on a project and then doing a brain dump and making a massive action list for finishing the project. So for this month, I had, it's probably like 25 massive action steps. And I got done 11 out of 25, and I feel really good about that because 11 is better than none. And 11 is amazing because basically I got super specific about the steps that needed to be taken. And 11 is better than none. And I'm so excited about that. So it's just another little trick that I wanted to share with you. If you have some projects on the back burner that are just spinning there, that this can be a tool to help you to start and finish. And that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope that you have a fantastic Friday and enjoy your second cup of coffee. Have a great day.